Hi friends! Welcome back to Kitchen Princess Bamboo. Have you ever tried Japanese sweet potatoes? One of my best friends living in Kagoshima Prefecture sent me 8 different varieties of sweet potatoes for me. Usually I bake sweet potatoes, but I remember my grandmother always steamed them and kept them on the table as a snack. So I decided to compare the steamed and baked sweet potatoes. Let's find out which is the best way to cook sweet potatoes. I have creamy white fresh sweet potatoes, orangey fresh sweet potatoes, and purple sweet potatoes. Scrub well and then line them on the steamer. Cook on medium heat for 20 minutes or until done. The smaller one needs to be steamed 20 minutes. The large one needs 40 minutes or more, or until the skewer goes through it. Wrap scrubbed and clean sweet potatoes in aluminum foil and bake it until soft, about 40 to 50 minutes. Now let's compare them. Steamed sweet potato is less sweet than the baked, but it is suitable for cooking like salad or soup rather than eating as it is. And obviously, you need less time to cook, so steaming is the best way if you want it quickly. The baked sweet potato is sweeter than steamed, but there is no significant difference for the purple sweet potatoes. To be honest, I preferred steamed creamy white sweet potato and baked orange fresh sweet potato. Another way to cook sweet potato is pan-fry the steamed sweet potato until the skin gets brown. It makes the skin toasty and the sweet potato tastes like a stone-baked sweet potato that you can find on the street vendor or even at the supermarket. We can't stone-bake sweet potatoes at home easily, but you can get a similar effect by pan-frying after steaming. My grandmother loved to have the purple sweet potato with mayonnaise, and when I was a kid, I thought it was weird, but she was right. It makes sense we can make sweet potato salad with mayonnaise. Now that I understand, I love it. After the holiday feast, it's a good idea to keep your diet as simple as possible to get back to the track. I hope the video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!